This is your girl Ada with AdaSweetz. This is considered my first mukbang. Hey y'all, and it's a review on the sauce. So that we love sauce. Okay, we finna get into it, y'all. I have my own link with the coldest water bottle. Just hit the tab if you want one. Get one just like mine, or you can actually get another color if you want to. And I actually got my name on mine, AdaSweetz. Oh yeah. I ain't gonna talk too much because I'm ready to eat. I'm hungry. And like I said in my previous video, today is my birthday, and I'm doing a mukbang in celebration of my birthday and starting my channel. I hope that this channel be a blessing to someone and blessing to the viewers that watch. I hope I bring some kind of life to your situation. I hope that you love watching me eat or even do tutorials. I am the owner of AdaSweetz and Treats. I do custom cakes, custom treats, and I look forward to actually doing tutorials on YouTube. So just check me out. Make sure you subscribe to me and hit the little button that let you know, hey, your girl is on. But I'm not gonna keep on talking because I know y'all ready for me to eat and get into it. So today I have I'm gonna let you know what I got. I got the Bloves Smackalicious sauce. Whoop, whoop. And I have extra onions in there. Extra onions. I also I have whole lobsters. Oh, I still fall, y'all. I have king crabs. I have corn. I have potatoes. I have eggs. And I also have shrimp off up in there somewhere. I think that's all I have. Oh, and I have, of course, my lemons on there. These not cut, that's just for decoration. But I have my lemon slices back here. Got my scissors on that, and I got my little lemon. And the coldest water bottle, I got some Mountain Dew inside, and I also have me some water on the side as well. Most people do water in their coldest water bottle, but I got Mountain Dew. All right, let's get into the video. Alrighty, I think I want to start out with an egg first. Put these to the side, the lemons to the side, and I'm gonna put this down. Maybe let's put it right here. Let's put it right there. And I think I'm gonna start with the egg. This sauce is hot, and I put one off up in there because I wanted to try it. Here we go, yeah. Not bad. I'm gonna get a one that's not too hot, so I can actually dip it, because this one is very hot, and I want to be able to dip it. I can dip that one, but it's already hot. The egg itself is hot. So yeah, they ain't no better. Well, look, I got some onions on there. Yeah, this is good. I can taste the onions and that pickle from the pickled ginger. Good. Okay, girl. Okay, B-Love. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm so rude. I didn't even give reverence to God. Lord, sorry, Lord. Lord, thank you for this food. Let's prepare it. Let it do good to my body. And let the viewers enjoy. Lord, I pray in Son Jesus' name. Amen. Sorry, I had to say grace over my food, y'all. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm just so hungry. But I can't forget about God. But yeah, this is good. Yeah, I like eggs. But I don't like them like that. But I like eating them, like the white part. I don't like the yolk. But in this, it's good. I can eat the yolk and not be like, ooh, I don't want the yolk. It tastes good. That's good. Like good. That is good. Yes. I don't know what I want down. I'm going to put some of these down. And yeah, all the people that do move bombs, baby, and get the king crabs. But one, they expensive. I call them on sale, by the way. But the people that do these move bombs, baby, I've been watching them do these with these. Just look at it. Just look at it. You see all them short points, baby. Watching them on move bombs and watching them on TV on YouTube. You would think that it don't hurt because they just be cracking them like it ain't nothing. Baby, these things hurt. They hurt. They hurt. I just had to put that out there because I had a few of them before. And I thought about it. These things hurt. I hope I can open them because I did go and get the ones that got claws on them. Yeah. It's hard so good. Let's see. I'm about to open these bad boys here. Ooh, yeah, I don't like all this stuff. No, I think, as B-Love would say, I ain't pregnant. I think got the red stuff. Yeah, I don't like stuff like this. But what I'm finna do, I know y'all can't see me because I got a mountain full of seafood and potatoes and all that stuff up in there, and y'all can't see me. But I'm just getting this stuff out of this bobtail that I'm not finna eat. Not finna eat. Do you hear me? I'm not finna eat that nasty stuff. Don't know what that is. Even the lobster tail hurts. Shoot. Piece of lobster tail. Yeah, I feel. I think it's better with the actual lemon than you. Cause this looks sour like. Yeah, this one had to be pretty. Bear with me. Yeah, I already I already got the sauce on me already. I see how easy it is. You don't even feel it. Yeah, I can't have all this stuff with it now. Can't, no. Okay, I finally got my leg meat. Yeah. All right, here I go, y'all. Sorry for taking so long. Yeah. Yeah. So good. I don't know what I was expecting for it to taste like, but it's good. Mm-mm. Now, yeah, this water bottle right here, the coldest water bottle. It's legit, y'all. Like, it literally keep your stuff cold. Like, real cold. You can leave, put ice in there, stay at least about 2 days, especially if you fill it all the way up to the top. Especially if you fill it all the way to the top. Yeah, let me get the No. Yeah, I'm about scared of these king crab legs too. They so sharp, they hurt. I don't like pain. Sure. My back hurt enough. Baby, I ain't got time for this. I'm hungry. Shoot. Ooh, what? Look at that, though. Is that good? Y'all want some? Y'all want to taste it? Taste it. So good. Y'all find so down sharp. You wouldn't need potatoes. Potatoes. Shrimp. Yeah, I don't see how nobody say this ain't good. I love food, but I'm real picky. It gotta be seasoned. It gotta be good. Can't be bland. Hold on 1 second. Baby. Yeah. Can you come plug this the air thing up for the fish? Cause he looking a little. Yeah, excuse me, I'm sorry. I cut the pump off of my fish tank so it wouldn't be loud on the video. And yeah, my fish, he literally probably the size of my hand, he huge. And y'all probably heard him over there making noise because I cut the pump off. But he kind of leaning over a little bit. Oh, he jumped up then. He little dramatic, y'all. Well, I'm talking about that little bubble thing. You know, can you cut the pump off? Well, it ain't loud. But it may be loud on my video, though. You just cut the bubbles on, cut the pump off for me. Yeah, that's my husband. It's loud. Just keep his air circulating. Yeah. 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 Change I'm not cutting it out. So I don't really know how to eat it. Yeah, she said it mild. But I don't do high food. And I'm starting to get a kick all up in my throat. It's becoming like it's the mild. And I know I can't handle no spicy, baby. That's why I waited till the mild came. So that way I could get the mild. ain't got no corn there with it yet. Yeah. Yeah. I ain't add nothing spicy up in him. So I know it's the seasoning. And it's not. I ain't gonna say it ain't me because I just can't handle the spice. But it's good though. It's good. Mm-hmm. These things ain't no joke. These pokey things. No one thing, it'll clear you out. I ain't coughed all day, now I'm starting to cough. I like it with the onions and all. baby, no, that don't even look right. Look at that. No. Yeah, I'm picky. It gotta look like food, baby. It look like food, but it's just doing too much. You ain't doing like the crab, the snow crabs that I normally have. You ain't doing all that. Let's get this out. Oh man, I just gonna do it like last time. Yeah, we get a Costco's in our area. It ain't ready just yet, but I'm so excited. Do you hear me? Because they be having, y'all ain't talking right. They have where you can get the king crab and all. Not saying Sam's don't, but you can get a big old case of them. I'm ready for that. I'm just excited. I hope they have a good, good prices on stuff for my treats, supplies and stuff that I need. Yeah, I'm gonna do a D-shell boil. Let me know what you like to see me do next time. Give me some suggestions. Yeah. Yeah. I gotta show. Yeah, I'm making a mess. Don't get it on my walls. Baby. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that, y'all. Let me get that. Yeah. This made me sleepy. Sleepy. Yeah, it really got. It's really making these eggs taste really, really good. This boil. But you know how when you feel it, it's starting to feel like you starting to get a little full, just a little bit, You gonna move from side to side, trying to make that food go down. You can have some whole room. But baby, I got a whole bowl full of food. It don't look like I ate none. It don't. And my husband ain't gonna help me eat this. He be like, I don't want them stinking crab legs. He eat shrimp though. He eat shrimp. And he ain't gonna eat a lot of them. Lemon on it. Just a little lemon. like water. I don't like drinking water. But yeah, this water, I get it from Kroger. It's called Clear Fruit for like 99¢. This the peach can. But it's really, really good. Like, it don't taste like water. It actually tastes like juice, and it's clear. Tastes just like juice. It don't get me off. It don't get me off like I'm drinking water. Like, you know, it tastes like actually juice. And I can drink all these. I got another. It's the strawberry watermelon. Now that one good too. 99¢. 99¢ at Kroger. I don't know if they be on sale sometime, but anyways. Anywho, y'all, I'm getting full, baby. I'm getting full. I do me a shell version of a seafood bowl. Cause baby, it is I hope this one ain't pregnant. Yeah, if this one pregnant, I ain't gonna eat it. Yeah, I can't do the ugly than that. From now on, get me some lobsters. There's already the big ones. No, baby. Leave that one right. Can't do all that stuff that's up in it. No. How y'all do this? How y'all open these things up? Even when it's the regular ones, you know? Without the claw, the just the legs, man. Maybe in liquor, but yeah, I'm getting full. I can't eat. I feel like I'm about to throw up. I can't. I like the snow crabs. I just I'm stick to what I like. I'm stick to what I like. Yep. I ain't opening your eye. That's a big one. Yeah. Mm-mm. I'm be trying different sauces too. Support different people, you know. Okay, yeah. I'm full. I ain't gonna eat no more. But anyway, if you like the channel, give me a hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button so that whenever your girl come on, you'll be notified that she here. Come on in, come on through. But like, just like Tab say, man, if you ain't having no good day, don't you go messing up nobody else's day now. Don't you do it. Just go be nice to somebody. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Deuces.